On Monday, the City of Fort Pierce approved the Infill Lien Reduction Program. This program is designed to promote further revitalization of vacant land in the community and provide relief for property owners who may have liens on their property that were levied prior to their ownership. So, how this works: you must currently own the property to apply, and the current liens on the property must have been levied before you took ownership of the property. And the property must not have any current code cases. Now, if you meet these requirements, then you can apply for the program through the city manager's office, and from there it goes to the city commission for approval. Once you are approved, you must pay the outstanding hard costs associated with the property within 365 days or at the time your building permit is issued. So, what are these hard costs that you have to pay up front? These are costs that the city paid to deal with the property. For example, trimming of overgrowth, mowing the lawn, or any other cost to correct an issue with the property. As soon as these hard costs are paid, all of these soft costs will be completely waived and the city will release the liens on the property. Soft costs are things like admin fees or interest that built up over time.
So, now we're getting to the great part. You must have the certificate of occupancy within 24 months of signing the agreement for this program. Once you get your CO within the required timeline, you will get a refund of 50% of the hard costs. So not only are the soft costs being waived, but you're getting half of the hard costs back at completion. So what is the benefit of this program? This allows the opportunity for new construction on properties that may have been unappealing before because of the liens. This can provide relief for a property owner who didn't know what to do with the property before and wants to avoid foreclosure. The property owner could now sell the property with the liens to a buyer who knows about this program. There are multiple applications that are already being submitted for this program. Contact us to learn more, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button.